normalize kicking people out of group meets because they don't help, okay? Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jen. So, you know, I'm coming back with a video right after I just posted a video because I'm providing more content for y'all, because I'm about to get active on this channel because I know that's what you guys want and need. So today we have a little bit of a different video from one of the lifestyle vlogs. It is more, how do you say, it's more educational, you know, more educational. I think a lot of people will love it. Today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to finesse Insecure of 4.0 while we're online. I know a lot of people have been struggling. I know it's hard. Sitting at a desk and being on Zoom all day is hard. We all know that. So take it from me, your honorary big sis, to tell y'all the tea of how I have gotten a 4.0 for 3 semesters in a row at Howard University. So let's get into it. And before I give you guys the tea, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any videos that you think I should be posting or that you want to see from me, because I'm open to literally filming whatever. But like I said, like and subscribe, and send this video to your friends. Send it to anybody. Tell everybody to watch and interact with my channel. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so my name is Genesis. I am a sophomore political science major. I almost forgot about that. I'm a sophomore political science major from California. You guys already know that already. In my opinion, the 3 elements of getting a 4.0: organization, participation, and your resources. So I'm gonna go down the list and just tell you guys, these are honestly, to me, the 3 most important things. If you guys don't have these things down, then you can kiss that 4.0 goodbye. You can kiss that internship goodbye. You can kiss that job offer goodbye. I'm not a counselor, okay? I am not, you know, somebody that people go to. Like, I'm not like a professional counselor or whatever. So this is just my opinion of, you know, how I've secured my 4.0. Okay, so first, participation. Or was it organization that was first? Organization was definitely first. You need to make sure you are turning in everything on time. Writing every essay days before. Don't be last minute with anything. Do not procrastinate. I'm the most laziest person in the world. Well, I'm not gonna say that because, you know, obviously I'm not that lazy, but I do like to sit in the bed and watch Netflix. No, like, I'm not even gonna front. I love to lay in the bed. I love to do nothing. Everybody loves to do that. But when you have an essay due on Thursday, you need to be doing that over the weekend. You need to do all of your work on time, because especially being online and just, like I said, in this Zoom environment, it is so easy to just forget and let stuff slip your mind. That has definitely happened to me before. So you should definitely get a planner. Some people don't need planners. I don't need a planner. I'm quick with it in the brain, but I kind of just remember everything I have to do. I don't know why I just do. I don't really need a planner, but a lot of people find planners very useful because they are. I would recommend getting a planner. If you don't want to actually go physically get a planner, you can always get one on your laptop. Always get one on your iPad. I have an iPad Pro and I use GoodNotes. GoodNotes 5, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, so I use GoodNotes. Basically all of my work is in GoodNotes. You can also put a planner in GoodNotes for your organization. You need to be making sure you are turning in everything on time. Do not give these teachers a reason to not like you. They need to love you, because when it's time to bump up that 89.5 to a 90, they're gonna remember, oh, she never gave me any problems. He or she turned in everything on time. They, you know, did all of their work. So make sure you are very organized. And it's so hard to just let things slip your mind and forget that you have to do stuff with Zoom, once again, like I said before. So make sure you are completely organized. I cannot stress that enough. You need to be organized. You need to be on top of your stuff. If there are class group meets, get in the group meets. Don't be that person that don't think you need help from anybody else, because you definitely do. Get in the group meets. Ask your classmates questions. They will help you. Everybody is going to help each other. We're all trying to do this, you know, just like everybody else, everybody wants an A, so we're all gonna help each other to the best of our abilities, of course. Moving on from getting a planner, I would definitely recommend getting one of these online school apps or whatever. I just call them a school app, whatever. I use GoodNotes. A lot of people love Notion. Notion was a little bit too much going on. I think people kind of get caught up in the aesthetics of Notion, which definitely can motivate you as well if you have like a really pretty Notion and you love it. If that's something you like to do, is spend hours putting your Notion account together, then do it. I have nothing against Notion, but I just am a GoodNotes type of person because it's really simple, easy, and to the point. I basically have mock trial, manifestation, judicial process, humanities, math, poli-sci research, and Spanish. I don't have my Spanish in my GoodNotes, but I am in that class. So basically, I have all of my classes, plus my mock trial stuff, my manifestation stuff, and just some selfies I like to draw on in my GoodNotes. I have a folder for each class. When you look in the class, I have some notes. Even for my manifestation, I have a manifestation notebook. You know the vibes. I'm about to blur this out because, you know. But yeah, I have my manifestation stuff in here. I have stuff I did for math. Anything I need is in GoodNotes. You can also use GoodNotes to make a journal. You can use it to make a journal list. You can use it to make a planner. You can really use it to do anything. I do know some people who use GoodNotes to even do YouTube stuff, like plan their videos out, do thumbnails, stuff like that. So I would definitely recommend getting GoodNotes part of your organization. And honestly, you need, like I said, being organized is really the biggest part, because if you're just losing stuff and not keeping track of your work, you're not going to be able to stay on top of it. And I'm telling you, like I said, it's hard. It really is. So next, we're going to start talking about participation. I can personally relate to knowing how important that participation is, because I have had teachers who have given me low participation grades, and my grades have gone from like a 95 to like an 89 in the class. A lot of teachers really take participation seriously, and I'm not saying you need to be answering every question, reading everything, but even if you just say something once or twice every single class, literally it's so easy. All you have to do is take your Zoom off mute and say one little thing once or twice. Always say hi, always say bye on the Zooms. A lot of my courses this semester, I have days where the class is optional. If there is a day like that, just go. I'm always the only one there. Not always, but the majority of the time in my math class, I'm the only one there. My thing is, it's not gonna hurt you literally just to go in and ask some questions. They're gonna remember those 2 or 3 times when you came in and nobody else did, and they will not, I promise you, no teacher will give you a B if you were putting in that much effort. I literally promise you. And if they do, there's a problem with them personally, but I will guarantee you will get an A. I don't mind kikiing with the teacher, showing up early, saying hi and bye, going into Zoom sessions for an A. And I know it's hard because I live in California and I go to school in DC, and the time difference is 3 hours or 4. I think it's 3. It's definitely 3. See, I still don't even know. But I literally have classes at 5 a.m., 8 a.m. and it's so hard. Okay, during my 5 a.m. class, I'm sorry, I can't. There's no way. And then my thing is, if the teacher is not making accommodations, who cares? Like, at that point, I'm kind of done with you as a teacher. Like, if you are that selfish that you can't think about people waking up at 5 a.m., I'm not even gonna participate. But it's 5 a.m. like, what do you expect? But for my 8 a.m. class and my 7 a.m. class, it's so hard. But I literally just say 2 or 3 things, and then I mute myself again, I go back to sleep. I mean, I don't know. If it's that important to you to get these good grades, then you're gonna do what you gotta do. Okay, so another thing that falls under participation is participating in the group me's. Okay, I'm sorry. I hate group me's full of like 40 people and you ask a question and nobody responds. If you participate in the group me from day one, I guarantee when you have something to say, there's gonna be somebody to help you. And I don't know if that's just me, but I am somebody who, I love to help people. Like, if you need help, let's get on FaceTime. Let's help each other solve this problem. Like, I just hate silent group me's. I hate when you ask a question, oh, when's the test? When's this due? And everybody's silent. It takes 2 seconds to respond. This goes for literally anybody. If your group me is working together, you guys are all going to do well in that class. I promise you will do well. If you guys are helping each other, giving each other tips and pointers, and oh, let me send you your essay, let's peer edit our essays. If you guys are doing stuff like that, you are going to do great in the class. It's always good to like have your little buddy in the class that's helping you with stuff. I'm not saying cheat, but you guys can at least help. And that also kind of falls under use your resources. So next is the last but not least, resources. Number 3. So resources could be anything from an upperclassman who's taken the class, your best friend who's also in the class for the first time, being close with the TA, being close with the teacher, somebody who doesn't even go to the school but they kind of will be able to help you, and just anybody really who can sit and help you with the work, who really cares about you and cares that you're getting the work done. It's always good to ask upperclassmen and ask your friends if they've taken classes, because my thing is, especially with the way teachers are now, they don't care about you at all. These professors could care less if you need accommodations, if you're having troubles attending class, if you have internet problems. And I don't know if it's just some of the teachers I have, but they really don't care. Some teachers go above and beyond to make sure and to care, but a lot of teachers don't. They don't, and they just want you to adjust your whole entire life to their time, even if you live on the other side of the country. But oh, see, I'm about to start ranting about stuff that got nothing to do with the video. You need to use your resources. You need to ask people what classes you should take, ask people what professors you should take, ask people what times are the best. Really make sure when you're making your schedule that you are really taking into account everything, especially when it comes to like studying for midterms, exams, finals. It would be great to be able to reach out to somebody who took the test last year and just be like, hey, what topics were on the test the most? What should I be studying that wasn't on the study guide? It's just always good to have like that extra person and that resource to help you. Resources could also be going to office hours. I know office hours are stupid. Let me rephrase that. Office hours aren't stupid, but like kind of in this Zoom setting, they're a little bit weird because they're not as personal as like they should be. But going to office hours and using the teacher as a resource, because you know, a lot of the times they will help you out in there and teach you little tips and tricks that they do not give to the class, especially if you're somebody that comes often. That's something I've noticed. Teachers can get really personal with you when they sense that you actually care about the class and you care about your grades and you want to do well. Another resource is the group me. You know, if things like me, like I said, I don't have a planner. I'm quick with it in the brain, but sometimes I'm not as quick as I think. So I will be forgetting things and I need to ask the group me, and I say, hey, when's this due? Hey, how many paragraphs this need to be again? Hey, what was the word limit on this essay again? And somebody will respond. The group me is a resource, but do not add the teacher to the group me, and do not ask for the group me link in class, because this is my last thing I'm going to say about using your resources wisely. Work smarter and not harder, okay? That's the last thing I had to say under the realm of resources. All right, y'all, so you already know the vibes. With this channel, we keep it real and we keep it honest, and I feel like I'm somebody that's been really honest with you guys on this channel. So I just kind of wanted to help you guys, help any incoming freshmen that probably will be online in the fall, help anybody, actually not even just incoming freshmen, help anybody that's gonna be online, help anybody that's been struggling. I know what it's like because I have an extreme time difference. It was hard, but I pulled out a 4.0, and this will be, well, I've gotten a 4.0 twice, 2 consecutive semesters in this. I'm manifesting, so this will be my 3rd semester. And for somebody that had a GPA of like a 3 point something in high school, I mean, I wasn't trying at all. And the majority of my teachers were definitely racist. Not the majority, but like at least 2 or 3 were definitely racist. So I'm gonna blame it on that. But coming from somebody who had like a 3 point something GPA, now me going to this amazing school that expects way more of us academically than my high school did, and now I'm getting a 4.0, I just wanted to share you guys my tips and my tricks to securing that 4.0, securing your bag. And you know, getting a 4.0, I'm not saying grades are everything, but having a 4.0 and a high GPA on the top of that resume is really gonna set you apart. So I know y'all love these college videos, so I had to put y'all on some heat and some tips and some tricks. All right, so thank y'all for watching. If you're still watching right now, you better have subscribed. All right, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm sure you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed filming it. Comment any videos that you want to see, because I love making videos for you guys. It's so fun for me uploading and just seeing the love and the support that I've been getting from this channel. We're only going up from here. So thank you guys for everything, all 455 of you. Thank you so much. So like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. And follow me on Instagram too if you want to see some straight heat. All right, bye.
A whole new team that I can lay down with.